Hey bestie, let's unbox this package. Okay, I gotta put the mic down. This mic from Tammy for like $2, so check them out. It's a little hard to do. Okay.
A few moments later.
Finally, we got it open. Okay guys, what it is, this is actually from Body Candy. If you guys remember the video I did from Body Candy and I told you guys about their grab bag. So let's unbox this package. Super exciting. Let's see what they gave us. Okay, so what is this? These look like little stickers. They're super cute. Living in a mermaid daydream. What are these? They're like little cute stickers, I think. Super cute. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so we have a couple of them to unbox. Okay, so I guess I will need to unbox these first because this came out first. These are nipple rings. These, but I don't think these are gonna fit me, but they're really cute. We're not gonna talk about it. These, super cute. Like little butterflies and flowers on it. These ones I like these. These are like a black ones. I kind of want to try them. We'll see. It's like this because I'm clumsy and they tend to get caught and stuff. Yeah, painful. But this one is actually my favorite. I'm not really too big on flashy. I don't think these will fit me, but they're super cute. Let's go to the next one. Wow. Okay, so we got belly rings for the next one. I'm really excited because I do want to change my belly piercings. Yes, girl. I like Body Candy. I've actually been shopping on Body Candy for years. But I haven't been on there pretty recently. I was planning on going there. So this was actually a pretty cute collaboration. I'm just cute. It's also really cute. I'm not sure what it is. They're all really dangly and long. Take them out the packages, right? Do you guys want to see them out the packages? They're cute. It reminds me of like some type of princess diamond and stuff. I might use this one. This one's cute. I might change to this one. Okay, let's do the next one. What is this one? I think these are septum rings, but they are so tiny. I'm just gonna fit my nose. You see my nose? Yeah. But look at these. These are so cute. A little butterfly. We also have this little leaf. This leaf is super cute. We have this little pearl thing. I forgot what this is called. I think these are really cute for $9.99. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. We have one more. These are nose rings. These are really cute. Everything here is really cute. They have a large variety. I like this one. This one is really cute. What is it? It's a like a cartoon like dragonfly. Really cute. I'll take these out at the end. This nose ring is really tiny, but it's really cute. I like the ones that are curved. I like the ones that are curved like this because they stay in your nose better. I tend to rub my nose a lot and the other ones fall out. So these are really cute, but I like my diamonds to be bigger. You see my nose ring is like really big. But they are all cute. Look at this one. This one is also really tiny. When you shop on Body Candy, they do have specific sizes. You want to make sure that you get the right size for your you know, your cartilage. So you want to Google that because I have fallen victim like right now to piercings that are too small and you can't use. This is a nose ring. I don't think it will fit in my nose. You get what I mean? So you want to make sure that you double check the size. But it's really cute though. Now I'm gonna open them and then I'm gonna give you guys like an aerial view. But this was super cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Is this worth buying? Would you buy this or would you buy it for a friend? Let me know. Are the belly rings, and which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. I love the nipple rings. All of these are really cute. I actually like the black ones the best. I like the simple yet cute. It's basic. I think the one with the opal is pretty cute. Look how it just shines in the sun. That is super pretty, and the butterfly is really cute as well. The nose rings, I think these are really cute and simple. If you're looking for something simple or dramatic, they have everything on Body Candy. They have such a large selection. See, so those are super cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Would you shop on Body Candy? Have you shopped on Body Candy before? And what were your thoughts? Bye, besties.